You know that moment when a brushstroke goes off course, a splash of water blooms where you didn't want it, or a color mix turns out completely different from what you intended. Yeah, that moment. It can feel frustrating at first. You might even feel like your painting is ruined. But what if I told you that so-called mistake could actually be a turning point? A moment of magic you never saw coming? Today, let's talk about one of the most beautiful lessons painting has to offer. Let happy accidents happen. Now, what exactly is a happy accident? In art, a happy accident is when something unplanned or unintended happens, but instead of ruining your work, it adds something special. Maybe it's a splash of texture you never could have planned, or a color blend that creates unexpected harmony, or a shape that suggests something completely new and inspiring. These moments, when we step out of control and into curiosity, are often the most alive, expressive parts of our work. Because here's the truth. Art is not about perfection. It's about emotion. It's about presence. It's about responding to what's in front of you, not controlling every detail of what's to come. When we let go of the need to control the entire painting, we open the door to spontaneity, to intuition, to surprise. And that's where the magic happens. Think about it. Some of the greatest artistic breakthroughs happened by accident. Entire painting techniques, like glazing, impasto, or watercolor blooms, were discovered when something didn't go as planned. So, why are we so afraid of it? Because we've been taught to avoid mistakes, to aim for precision, to have a plan and stick to it. But art isn't a test, it's a conversation. And sometimes, the most beautiful conversations happen when we stop trying to script every word. Two, work with fluid, unpredictable materials. Watercolors, wet-on-wet acrylics, or even ink can teach you a lot about letting go. These mediums have a life of their own. Let them move. Let them mix. Watch what they do. Don't force it. Respond to it. Three, use tools that are a little wild. Try painting with a sponge, a palette knife, or even your fingers. The marks you make will naturally be more organic, less perfect, and more expressive. 4. Be playful, not precious. Every painting doesn't have to be a masterpiece. Think of some paintings as playgrounds. Just explore. Try weird color combinations. Flip your canvas. Let paint drip. Scrape it off. Get messy. When you're playful, accidents feel like discoveries. 5. Take breaks and look with fresh eyes. Sometimes, what feels like a disaster in the moment actually turns out to be the best part. Once you step away and come back with a fresh perspective, let your painting breathe. Let yourself breathe.